Hello everyone, welcome back to day 6. In today's session, we are going to learn Python operators. This is very important concept in any programming language and let's discuss without any wasting time. What introduction of operators? What is operator? Operators are very important in any programming language. Without operators, we cannot perform any operations in programming language, right? For example, if you are going to calculate any operations without operators, how we can calculate, right? What is operators? Operator is a operator is a symbol. Simple definition: symbol which performs an operation values. Operation values. Let's example 10 plus 20. Here, what is operator and what is operands? Let's discuss. Here, values. Values. Values means 10 comma 20. These are called. These are called operands. Operands. Whatever the plus value and subtract value, multiplication value, these are called operators. Operators. Without these operators, we cannot calculate any operations. Let's discuss what are the types of operators. There are arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership operations. After all operations completed, we'll go with one mini project, one or two mini projects, and let's discuss arithmetic operator. Our first topic is arithmetic operator. What is arithmetic operators? General things means plus, subtraction, multiplication, some division, floor division. These are called these are called arithmetic operators. Let's start basic operation. Let's start basic operators. Let's go with A is equals to 10, B is equals to 20. I'm not explaining pin to pin. I'm explaining all operation plus minus at one example because time consuming. We have other types of operators also there, right? That's what print A plus B. This is called addition operator, right? Addition, addition of two values, and print A minus B. This is subtraction, subtraction. Okay. Next, print star operator or repetition operator A into B. Multiplication. Next, print A by B means A division by B. Division operator. Print A modulo mean percentage reminder. Our case reminder percentage or modulus. Next, one more very important concept: A floor division. A floor division operator. I will tell you what is the difference between division operator and floor division operator. Division operator, print power. power operator. These are called arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations. Just a basic, right? Plus operator. If you want to add two numbers, you can use plus. If you subtract two numbers, use minus symbol or subtraction. If your product two values, then use multiplication, division, and modulo. You want reminder. Okay, those you can use modulus. Floor division, I will explain you after explain this concept execution. We have a Jupyter notebook, right? Best operator. Just I'm executing this program. See what is the error. Print, print, print is not defined. Which line? Name error. PRI, eighth line. Here, yeah. This is I have mistake, right? Print, yeah, yeah. Everything is coming right. 10 plus 20, first 30 minus 10, everything we are come right. See, one more concept, one more very important concept. What is the difference between division operator and floor division operator? For freshers, while interviewing, interviewer asks this type of questions. What is the difference between division operator and floor division operators? If you are using division operator, you can get float value. By default in Python, if you are adding, I mean, if you are division anything now, it will get zero, I mean, floating value. You don't want to float values, decimal values. You don't want decimal values. You want only integer values. In that case, you have to use floor division operator. See, here last floor division means last two, right? Zero. A division by zero. I don't get any decimal value, right? I am getting only integer value. Here, if you see, I have to do A by B. I have used a division operator, A by B. I'm getting 0.5. This decimal value is getting. That is the difference between division operator versus floor division operator. I hope you are getting this point. Anyway, I will provide the notes in detail. If you haven't watched the notes, I have provided every video on GitHub link. In that GitHub link, you have to see in some notes day wise, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. I will upload day 6 also. Every day I have uploaded day wise notes. You can go through these notes, and if you have any doubts in the notes, please comment in the YouTube comment section, and make sure you have to fork it, or you have to, if you like these notes, you have to start, and it will reach more people, and that's it. And you are getting right arithmetic operators. Our next concept is comparison operator. Am I right? Our next concept is comparison operator. What is comparison operator? Used to compare values. I have two values. I want to compare both those values. For example, let's case A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. I want to compare both values by using greater than symbol, less than symbol, is equals to symbol, equals to symbol, not equals to symbol, those things. Just is A is greater than B? If it is yes, it will print either true or false. And print is A is less than B? If it is true, it will coming true. If it is false, it will display false. And if A is equals to B, and if A is not equals to B, if you use comparison operators, you will getting either true or false for Boolean values. If that condition is satisfied, it will display true. If the condition is not satisfied, it will display false. Let's execute this program as well. Comparison operators. See again, oh, see starting line I have. See, A is greater than B, false. Because A is 10, B is 20. A is not greater than, right? And A less than B, true. Is because A is smaller than B. And next, A is equals to B, no, right? Both values are not. And A not equals to B, true. Is you understood, right? All operator comparison operators. Then our next concept is logical operators. This is very important in the production level. The first concept, arithmetic operators, and second comparison operators. This everyone knows, right? Even basic our mathematical operators. Okay. Next, logical operators. Logical operators means what? And or not. What is end? We'll discuss. End operator. What is end? If both conditions are satisfied, conditions are satisfied, satisfied, then it will return true, true. Otherwise, it will return false. And next operator, or. What is operator? What is or? If any of one condition is satisfied, condition is satisfied, satisfied, it will return true. Otherwise, it will get false. What is not? This is exact vice versa of true, right? Reverse of, sorry, reverse of by above operators. This is exactly reverse, right? Next, taking one example. Next, A is equals to 10, B is equals to 20. Print. Let's take another thing. Real life example. A is equals to 20 and ID, some ID equals to true. ID equals to, just example. Print. Age is greater than or equals to 18. I'm checking. And ID. ID also always true, right? Just can execute this example. Logical operators. It's true, right? Because age is greater than or equals to 18. His age is already 20, greater than only, right? And this condition also satisfied. And ID always true. Okay, the ID also true. Both conditions are satisfied means it will true, right? For example, I am taking for understanding ID is false. In this case, what it is coming? False, right? Because one condition is not satisfied. Because both conditions satisfied means it will return true. Now it is coming false, right? And next R. R, same thing. Here in this case, instead of N, I have to put it R. In this case, what it display? It will true, right? Because if any of the one condition is satisfied, it will get true. See, this is the use of R. For example, not. This is exactly reverse. If I put not, what it is getting? Uh, no, here is, let's take another example for not. For not, I will take another example. A is equals to 10. B is equals to 20. Print A not B R. I'm asking. I think invalid syntax, perhaps. I think we are not using not operations in the print statement. I will explain you anyway. In real-time project, we will use not operations. I will explain you. Think not in this print print functions is not working in the not operators. We'll do. We'll explain. I hope you understand this. And our next concept is identity operators. Identity operators. What is identity operators? Checks memory if same objects are not. Uh, for example, is operator, is not operator, is operator, not is, not is operator. These things are identity operators. Checks memory. For example, A is equals to 10, B is equals to 20. A and B memory is print, A is BR. Because not right, both are stored in different locations. I think it will print false. Am I right? Because A is stored different memory, B is stored different memory, and I am asking if same A and B stored same memory locations or not. No, right? No, because same thing added A is equals to 10, B is equals to 10. In this case, what it will print? We can check. Even I am also not sure. True, because A is stored 10, A is equals to 10, B is equals to 10. A, A memory and B memory same because both values are same, right? Just B is pointing to A, but memory location is same. If you want, I will explain you. Paint. I'm taking A is equals to 10. This is the memory location. I have stored 10 value, 10 value memory location. And same thing, another person saying B is equals to 10. And B is equals to 10. The 10 already there in the memory location, just references to A. Now in this case, both tens are stored. Not both tens, the 10 is referenced to B. Value, whatever that we assign two times, but the value that stored in on memory location and single value. Just A is equals to 10, I have stored in memory location, and B is equals to 10, reference to the A location. I hope you understand this memory location concept. And next concept is membership operator. Not is means this is the reverse of is operator, right? Is operator means checks memory location. Reverse of A. Reverse of is, sorry. Reverse of is operator. Now you understood, right? Next, fifth one is fifth operator, membership operators. Membership operator. What is membership operator? Membership operators like in, not in, not in. For example, what is in and what is not in. For example, S is equals to Python. Python. I am asking, I have defined that Python, right? Just string I have defined. I am asking just print P in S. Whatever we have defined string, in that string, P is available or not. If it is available, it will get it true. Will get the output true. You can verify whether it is coming or not. Yes, true. P is there. Just have to put it is capital P. In this case, what it is coming? False, because capital P is not available, right? That's what it is coming false. In this case, I am asking not in. Not in, just the reverse of in. Because the P is not, if the P is not available in that respected string, it will get true. True, right? Yeah. Okay. All operators we have completed successfully. Just one mini project can we do without wasting any time. I hope you understand all concepts for operators. Operators are very, very important, not only Python programming language, in any programming language. Just build some calculator, simple calculator. A is equal to int of, input of. Already what is the in typecasting? This I have already previously discussed, right? If you haven't watched it, please go through that video. Enter first number. I'm asking to user enter the first number by using input function. What is the meaning of input function? To get the input from the user. That is the meaning of input. Okay. I'm asking to user enter your first number. Next. P is equals to same. Enter the oh, it is coming like that. Okay. Second number. Print addition. A plus B. Subtract. Subtraction. A minus B. and multiplication. Multiplication. A star B. Division. Division operator. And A division by B. Can we execute? Because whatever we covered, all arithmetic operations will do mini project. Just mini project. I am entering. Enter first number 20. Enter second number just 10. Again, I'm getting the print fourth line. Sorry, my bad. Because my keyboard is not working correctly, it seems. Enter first number. Second enter. Oh, why, second number, right? Again, I'm executing. Okay, 10. See, addition is 30 and subtraction 10, multiplication, division. Now, successfully, we have completed one small chota program. This is very simple program, but powerful program. Do you want me explain one more project? Yeah, and one more project I will explain you. Project 2. Mini project. This is very important for fresher level, and whenever you are going to interview, the interviewer compulsory ask this question, this coding round, even or odd checker, even or odd checker. If you know operators means, you will give left and right to your interviewer, right? Interviewer, right? Just number equals to int of input of enter your number. You can ask your user or you will give directly number equals to some value. If number, whatever user given number, modular percentage to, I mean modular 2 is equals to 0, then it will print even number. Print even number. Otherwise what? Odd number, right? Odd number. Then immediately you may get doubt what is the percentage. Already discussed what is the percentage. And in this case, percentage gives reminder, right? Percentage gives reminder. That reminder satisfied is equals to 0, then even number. Otherwise, odd number. What is percentage means? Percentage or modulo. Percentage gives or modulo gives reminder. If reminder is 0 means, if reminder is equals to 0 means even number, otherwise odd number. Understood, right? Can we execute this program? Yeah, absolutely. We have a editor, beautiful editor, Jupyter Notebook, project, enter, yeah, enter your number. Just I will give 10, even number, because 10 is satisfied with 0. If you divided by 10, the remainder is 0, right? That's what even number. Just I am giving to odd number what is given. 11 I am getting. Odd number. It's not getting right. For this case, remainder is 1. Not satisfied 0. That's what it will getting odd number. Okay. And one more project I will explain you. Project number 3. Project number 3. This is very important. First program is basic understanding purpose. First project. Second project for interviewer purpose in fresher level and any interviewer. If you are going to Python coding round, in compulsory out of 100 interviewers, 80 to 90 interviewers ask this question: whether you solved uh, even or odd numbers. This project 3 in production level, it is, I mean, in real time projects where we implementing this. Just login check. For example, login check, which is login check. For example, your Make My Trip is there. Make My Trip app is there, or your Zomato app is there, or your Flipkart app is there. When you open the tab, you have to enter your username, password, whatever you created username, password. You have entered username, password. If username and password is valid, then only the app will open, right? Otherwise, the app will give left and right to you because, array man, your username or password is incorrect. Due to that, I'm not opening my interface. It is getting right. Same thing. How we can implement in real time? Just simple example. I will write input enter username password. Password equals to input of enter password. The password. If username equals to admin. For example, my username is admin and password equals to 123. My password is something like 1234. In real time, these values, whatever I manually added this, right? These values we are getting from database or API. These value in real time we have getting from the API or database we are getting. For in this example, I have used manually print login success, login success, else invalid credentials, invalid credentials. Sorry, spelling mistakes. Credentials. Check whether this program is correct or valid or not. Just we can check. Hmm. Just I have to ask username, enter your username, and I have to ask you from a user, enter your password. If username equals to admin and password equals to 123, these both conditions are satisfied, then login successful. Otherwise, invalid credentials. For example, I'm entering admin. password 1234. Login success, right? For example, I'm entering admin 123. Then invalid credentials. I hope you understand what is operators, what are the types of operators are there, and where we can use in real world use cases also. I have explained it. This is exactly how apps validate login internally, this program. And today we learn today we will learn arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, real world projects. Don't worry, this everything notes I will provide end of this video. And watching coding like watching gym videos. You won't get results unless you practice. Be practice every day. Okay. See you in day 7. If you have liked this video, please subscribe and whatever that you comment, if you're like really this video, you can comment. And if you have given any feedback, you have to give in the comment section. Okay. Thank you.